Hey, this is Mr. Hanson. You might notice the picture on this screen. There's a three-wheeler right there, and so what we're going to be talking about today is wheels, and more specifically, wheels in groups of three. So, just as a review, if we had six wheels, six is divisible by two, so that would make up two of these vehicles. If we had nine wheels, nine is divisible by three, that would make up three of those vehicles. I'm just going to go 6 divided by 3, 9 divided by 3, 12 divided by 3, that would be 4, 15 divided by 3, that would be 5, and so on. Now there's something unique about all of these numbers that's divisible by 3. And if we were to investigate them, they add up to a multiple of 3. Well, 6 is already a multiple of 3. 9 is already a multiple of 3. But look at the digits of 12. 1 plus 2 equals 3. It adds up to a multiple of 3. And look at 15. 1 plus 5 is 6. So think of any number in the 3 times tables. Let's try 27. And 2 plus 7 is 9. You can think of any number you want to, but I guess the big question is, will this always work, or is it just sort of a kind of an accident or a coincidence that this is all working out so far? So my goal is to prove the divisibility rules for the number the divisibility rule for the number 3, which is that you can just add up the integers, and if they add up to a multiple of 3, then they are divisible by 3. So let's take this number here. Let's go 513. And we want to know if that's divisible by 3. One way of thinking about this is kind of breaking this up into tens place and hundreds place values. So we've got 5 hundreds, and we've got 1 10, and we've got 1 3. So this means the same thing as that, 5 hundreds plus 1 10 plus 1 3. Now we're going to just adjust the 100 a little bit. Instead of 5 hundreds, we're going to go 5 times 99 plus 1. Okay, 99 plus 1 is 100. And we're going to go 1 times 9 plus 1. And we'll go 1 times 3. Okay, so now what we need to do is a little bit of distributive property. So I'm going to rewrite this 5 times 99 plus 5 times 1. And this is going to be 1 times 9 plus 1 times 1. And this is going to be 1 times 3. Okay, now we want to do the commutative property. We want to move these around a little bit. So we've got 5 times 99 plus 1 times 9 plus 5 times 1 plus 1 times 1 plus 1 times 3. Okay, let's talk about these pieces individually for a minute. If we have 99, think about 99. Is it divisible by 3? If you go 3 into 99, you get 33, so it is divisible by 3. And if we have 5 99s, each of those 99s are divisible by 3 too. So this number right here, 599, is divisible, 5 times 99 is divisible by 3. So we don't have to worry too much about that. Now the next question, is this one divisible by 3? Well, 9 is divisible by 3, and 1 times 9 is 9. So this one also will be divisible by 3, so we don't have to worry so much about that. The only part we have to worry about is right here. We have to decide if the sum of these numbers, if we add up all these numbers, 5 plus 1 plus 3, what do you get when you add them up? You get 9. And is 9 divisible by 3? It is. So that's kind of a proof, at least for this specific number, that's a proof that 513 would be divisible by 3. Now, if you wanted to prove it for any number, instead of putting 513, you'd use A and B and C, and we're assuming that A plus B plus C is a multiple of 3. So let's finish it off. This time, instead of 5 times 100, it's A times 100 plus B times 10 plus C, or C times 1. Okay, we're going to do the same thing. A times 99 plus 1 plus B times 9. Oh, let's clean that up a little bit. Plus 1 plus C. Okay, let's distribute it. We've got 99A plus 1A, and we've got 9B plus 1B, and then we've got C. Let's rewrite it. 99A plus 9B plus A plus B plus C. And so here we know that that's divisible by 3, and 9B, that's also divisible by 3. And so we have A plus B plus C, and if those happen to add up to a multiple of 3, we know that the whole number is divisible by 3. Hope this helps you out. Oh, let's just do one last word problem with this. Let's say that you ordered 614 wheels. Is that number divisible by 3? In other words, will there be 3 wheels for each car? Well, let's add it up and see. What's 6 plus 1 plus 4? 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 4 is 11. Is 11 divisible by 3? The answer is no, so you probably have a couple of wheels too many or one wheel too short on that particular one. Thank you.